I'm the glasses guy and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn some more tips and tricks for sunglasses and eyeglasses. We are answering the question, do glasses make me look old? I get this question quite often, so I figured I'd tackle it on the video today. So it really depends on a couple different aspects. Glasses are used at every age range. I have a neighbor who's 2 years old and she wears the most darling eyeglasses. She has a pretty high prescription and she's 2 years old. I have 16-year-olds I've seen before that really have some of the highest prescriptions I've ever seen. And of course you have that 60, 70, 80-year-old person who also has a high prescription and needs glasses. So it happens at every age range. Now, one of the things that people refer to is that after 40, a lot of people hit this stage, it's called presbyopia. And that means no matter if you've had perfect vision your whole life, almost everyone at some point after the age of 40, between the ages of 40 and 50, are going to end up needing some kind of reading power correction, a little boost for your reading. You'll start to see yourself holding that book, holding those things a little bit further away, and you need some kind of extra boost or power for your reading. And that happens to just about everyone. I'm sure there's some exceptions out there, but that can feel like you're getting older once you hit those stages with glasses with that reading power. But do not fear. Glasses can both make you feel and look older, or if you find the right pair, it can actually help make you feel and look more youthful. And so let me unpack some of that today. So as we start to look at different glasses that can really make us feel and look younger, we want to think about a good fit first off. So something that fits our face, that isn't too big or too small, something where our eyes are centered horizontally. As you can see, this pair fits me really well. So that's going to help make us look more youthful. But then also you want to look for stuff that kind of gives you a little bit of lift in the corners. And this can be an advantage to wearing glasses. People that don't wear glasses, they don't have that opportunity to wear something that makes them look more youthful. And so you can see this pair here is going up in the corner. Now we're not talking about a dramatic cat eye frame here. We're just talking about something that gives you a little bit of lift, that sits up nicely on the face and can give you a little bit of lift and just make you look a little bit younger. And so here's more of a masculine fit here, and I'll show you this one. And this one doesn't have much of a cat eye shape, but you can see it just kind of lifts here just slightly in the corner. And this frame sits up really nicely on the face. I'll try this on. It's gonna be a little bit small for me, but you can kind of see the lift that you're getting in the corner. And so that can be an advantage and actually make you look younger than you are. So think about that when you're picking out your glasses. First off, the right fit, but then something that maybe gives you a little bit of corner lift. Another example I would show you as a sunglass is this one here. It's not gonna be dramatic, but you can see it sits up nicely on my face. It's not dragging down, and it's a lift, just a touch here in the corner. Once again, not a cat eye, but a lift. And so it's sitting up nice. It's giving me a lift throughout my face, and that's always good for many of us. And that's a great way to cut down on how you might feel a little bit older and realize that glasses can make you look younger. Here's another example as a sunglass. You can see here, this frame doesn't fit me very well. It's a little bit too narrow, but you'll see that lift that you're getting in the corner. Just a touch, not a lot. And once again, it's sitting up nicely on my face. And so these are the factors you're looking for. Okay, so to illustrate this point about how a pair of glasses fit you and the style that you're looking for, if you're concerned about looking a little bit older in glasses, you really want to avoid things that make it almost feel like your face, it drags your face down a little bit. So you'll notice some of these larger aviator styles, this droop here can make you feel a little bit older and can make you look a little bit older. Now it's a perfectly fine design, especially as sunglasses, when you're not seeing the eye, it won't matter as much. But as an eyeglass, you can see how this kind of just droops the face a little bit. It's a total style and I fully support anyone that loves that. But if you are concerned about looking older in your glasses, you might avoid kind of this teardrop look, and that will also help. Another factor that has made people feel older when wearing glasses in the past is that line bifocal. So as soon as you saw someone with that line bifocal, you knew they were had some kind of add power or reading power. But now with the progressive lenses, they look just like a normal pair of glasses, but they have that boost at the bottom, that add power, so that when you look down, you're gonna get the power you need. You look straight forward, it's conversation or computer distance, and then when you look up, you have that distance prescription that you need. So no one knows that you're wearing an add power or a progressive lens or what we might call a reading power. They'll just know that you look good, you've got that great frame on, and so do not fear. Glasses do not make you look older if you find the right pair. Finding the right pair of glasses can make all the difference. And we know that it can take all of us some time to adapt and adjust to the changes that are happening both in our eyes and our body. But we have to recognize that if we find the right pair of glasses, that it can make a big difference on making us feel younger instead of older. Take advantage of the fact that you get to wear glasses, find that great pair, and it can make all the difference in making you feel and look younger. So there you go. Do glasses make you look older? My answer is no. Not if you find the right pair and you rock it, you express yourself, you find something that fits your style, fits your face, and then always look for that opportunity for a little lift in the corners, whether you're male or female. Not a dramatic cat eye, but something that just sits up nice on your face and gives you that little lift. I hope this has helped. Once again, I'm the glasses guy, and follow along for more tips and tricks on your sunglasses and eyeglasses.